Hi, I'm Ankita Nayak, a professional model from Bangalore. My fashion mantra would be just be comfortable in whatever you wear. It doesn't matter whether it's in vogue or not. As long as you're comfortable, it shows in your style. Still, I feel I'm yet at the beginning. No matter, I've worked for many years, but I think I have a lot to work on because I want to reach at an international level, and it's not easy for a Indian model to reach where she wants to go. The most difficult thing of being in this industry is every other person today wants to be a model. So you have a lot of competition. It's like even if you're a model, people will still ask you questions like where have you worked and what do you do, because every other person on the road says that he or she is a model. So I think that's the difficult part. But when it comes to work, I think it's really easy. I just love the work, so I don't even care about the time it takes or whatever it takes. The most important thing is to be really good to everybody you work with. You can't throw attitude or you can't say that I'm not doing this, I'm not doing that. You have to be nice to each and every person you come across. May it be the light boy or the cameraman or whoever it is, you have to be nice to everybody if you want to come up in this industry, for sure. To keep in touch with people and maintain a certain contact, because if you don't socialize with people, then people will never recognize you and you will never get where you have to get. The 5 most important things are they need to be well groomed, they need to have confidence, they need to be able to mold themselves into any kind of category they are given. I haven't restricted myself till now to anything. Except for lingerie, I don't think there's anything else that is vulgar or disgusting or anything like that. Even lingerie, it's like by choice. People look beautiful in whatever they wear. It depends on the way you carry it off and the confidence that you're going to have while wearing it. So I don't think that any model is bad or good if they are not showing their skin or showing their skin. Basically, it just depends on the way you carry it off. The biggest of the biggest actors have their own restrictions in life about what they want to wear, but they still get where they want to get because it just depends on how you're going to put it across to people. Casting couch does exist in the industry, but still it depends from person to person. The way you are going to portray yourself to people, that's how people are going to behave with you. With me, I have also had bad experiences a couple of times, but I have known how to handle myself and nothing has happened till now.